I love questions related to attorneys and how expensive are they? Especially the question is, are elder law attorneys expensive? Well, are any attorneys expensive? Here's the question I would have you ask. I don't know what expensive means. I know what it costs to operate my law office. I know what it costs for me to have multiple attorneys, lots of staff, but that's irrelevant to you. I think the better question is not what does it cost, but what do you get for what you pay? Okay? And so let me give you an example. For example, in my law firm, I'm an estate planning and elder law and asset protection law firm, we have 3 different strategies, right? One's a simpler strategy, one's a medium strategy, and one's an all-in strategy. Obviously, those strategies cost different amounts of money. What I love about it, though, is sometimes I have people with $2 million that like the simple strategy. Sometimes I have people with $200,000 that like the most complex strategy or the most comprehensive. So the question, when done properly, is do you see the value in what you're doing? Now, I think what shows a lot of value is something we do and we've done for the 32 years of my practice is we always start with free education. Because I want to be able to educate people to say, why do you even want to have this conversation, right? So if you get educated and you learn, wow, I didn't know there's all these things you can do, and I didn't know there's different ways to do them, now you start to see the value and you can start to assess pricing to what you're getting. But other than that, it's really hard to say, are they expensive or not? Lawyers are expensive generally, I think. Nobody wakes up and says, hey, I want to go hire a lawyer today. But I think in estate planning and elder law, it's different. Our clients come in and they love working with us because we help solve problems. And yes, it does cost money, but typically, especially in the asset protection and long-term care areas, we save multiples, exponentials in some cases, of money to what it costs. So it's a cost-benefit relationship. The question is, how much is it worth to you? And if not, your family will find out if you did the right thing or not.